Hey guys, Chris Haskins with the realestateroundup.com, and today we are doing a training real fast to show you how to stop any foreclosure anywhere in the United States at any time, even if it's an hour before the foreclosure process. Today we got a client with us. Chris, what's going on, brother?
I'm doing great.
We got a property that we're going to be stopping this foreclosure. The foreclosure is tomorrow. And tell us a little bit about the house, Chris, and the debt and all that stuff.
It's a $303,000 house. We're going to stop the foreclosure, and looking forward to doing it.
Cool, yeah. So anybody can do this, guys. And if you want to learn more, I'm going to cover this at the end. All you have to do is go to the webinar below, and the webinar will walk you exactly through step by step what documents you need. We got all the documents here that Chris has already signed. We're going to go down to the courthouse. And actually, you're going to follow us. We're going to record all this stuff going down to the courthouse, and we're going to go in and file these documents. And the main thing we're looking for is to get a case number for a self-filing bankruptcy today. And we're going to show you how to do that. You can stop any foreclosure anytime. So take a deep breath, because you can instantly stop the foreclosure, guys. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, so we are in the car headed down to the federal courthouse. When you when you record a self-filing bankruptcy, it's done at the federal courthouse, and the webinar below will show you exactly the steps how to find your local federal courthouse in your city. They are not in every city in America, but they will typically be in the larger cities, and if you live in a rural area, it'll be in the closest city to you. So where we live, in the city that I live in, there is not a federal courthouse, so I have to go to the next city over, which is Newport News, and they have another one in Norfolk, Virginia. So there will be something in your area close by. So we're going to go down there. We're going to file these documents here. So once we file this, what we're looking for is a case number. So we're going to go down there to the federal courthouse and ask for the bankruptcy clerk. The clerk's going to take these documents in, and we're going to give her a fee to file this stuff. And once we get that case number, we'll show you that we're going to call the foreclosing attorney and tell them exactly. We're going to say, hey, Mr. Attorney, we need to stop a foreclosure. And they're going to say, what's your case number? We're going to give them the case number, and they're going to say, foreclosure has been stopped instantly. So whether you're a realtor needing to stop a foreclosure on a listing, or you're an investor that needs to stop a foreclosure, maybe you're negotiating a short sale, because the short sale department may not talk to the foreclosing department in the same bank. So sometimes we have to stop the foreclosure while we're going through the short sale process. All right, anything you wanted to say, Chris, or ask?
No, not really. Just ready to stop.
Okay, so we'll be talking to you in a second when we pull up at the federal courthouse. We do have to get some money. I don't know how much, because I haven't done one recently, because the filing fees go up over time. So we'll find out how much they are, and then we'll come back to you. Okay, guys, so we're here downtown Newport News. We're headed to the federal courthouse. We'll take a look at it here. We're gonna go inside, get this thing filed, and when we come back outside, we're gonna have a case number, and we'll show you how we're gonna stop the foreclosure by calling the foreclosing attorney and giving them some information over the phone. So we're going right inside, file this paperwork here, and we'll be right back. All right. In my quest to bring you maximum value, yes, to pour into you the most, and to be a practitioner of real estate and not someone that just teaches at you, I have decided to go ahead and give you the documents that you need. I'm going to go ahead and pour it all into you, so you're going to have it 100%. Why do I do that? Because I love you. And the more what we do, we give. We work, we give, we contribute to our community. So I'm going to show you 4 documents you got to have. We'll go through them one by one. Let's knock it down. You know how we get down here at the Roundup. This is how we get down. This is how your boy gets down. All right. First document we are going to need is the voluntary petition. I'm going to flash it on the screen for you right there. The voluntary petition. I am not an attorney. I do not practice law. This is not something that I'm not practicing law out, a non-licensed person practicing law. I'm not doing that right now. This is for informational purposes only. So you got to have your voluntary petition. Fill it out. You want to file. I don't go to all the blanks down there. Check them. I'm not going to go over them all because I don't know your situation, what you need to do for this one. And if you need these documents, just go to the website or send me an email. We'll see how we can help you with that. Or if you need a consultation, we'll see about doing that. The next document you need to have in the arsenal is going to be your, what is this? Exhibit D, individual debtor statement of compliance with credit counseling requirements. Individual debtor statement of compliance regarding, individual debtor statement of compliance with credit counseling requirements. Okay, what does that mean? Basically, you have to go, if you're filing bankruptcy on somebody, or if you're doing it, you have to go and get some type of credit counseling. Now, you can go online, just Google, well, the webinar will walk you all the way through that, but just Google credit counseling agencies in your area, and they'll walk you right through that very short process before you get down there, and you just let the clerk know how you did that. And if you don't have time to do that, there's a box for you to check too. If your foreclosure is within the next hour, which sometimes they are in our situations in real estate, right? Okay, the next document we have here is going to be your coverage sheet for your list of creditors. Your list of creditors, that is going to be, I'll flash it on the screen. This is where you put down the people that you owe, or with, hold on, wrong document. Cover list for the list of creditors. The list of creditors is where you're going to say, I owe SunTrust Bank, or whatever lender is foreclosing on you. Put it down. SunTrust, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, whatever it is, Ready Mortgage, City Mortgage, whatever. Put them down on the paper, because you need to make sure that they're on your petition when you file it, because that needs to happen. But whatever creditor you want to put, if you have other creditors like your car, put all that down too. Whatever you feel is best for you. I'm not here to advise you legally. I'm not doing that. Informational purposes only. All right. The last doc that we have to turn in is going to be, you could download all this from the website. Statement of Social Security numbers. Your statement of Social Security numbers. That's just basically saying that, golly, come on here. That's just saying that you are who you say you are. You put your name in there, your address, and your last 4 or last 6 of your Social Security number. You got to have that. You know, if you don't have that, you're in trouble. So those are the docs that you need when you go down to file for that bankruptcy. And let's get back to our own site. Okay, guys, so we're here. We just came out of the federal courthouse. Chris, what do you think about that?
Learned a lot. Changed the forms, new documents now. So we got to stay afloat to everything that's going on.
Yeah, stuff changes quick. So we just got the case number here, and I'm going to show you when to call the attorney that's supposed to be foreclosing on the house. I'm going to get them on the phone, give them the case number, and you're going to actually hear them say that foreclosure has been stopped. So I'll see you in a second.
Thank you for calling Atlantic Law Firm.
This is the attorney, guys.
Requires that we advise you that this firm is a debt collector, and any information obtained may be used for that purpose.
This is our filing
Filing
document.
Training purposes. Please listen carefully as our menu options have recently changed. If you are in active bankruptcy, press 2. If you are a clinic,
Yeah, I'd just take any of these streets over to Warwick.
All agents are currently assisting other callers. Please continue to hold, and your call will be answered in the order it was received. Your approximate wait time is 3 minutes.
Okay.
If you would prefer to leave a message,
I have a case number here. I need to stop a foreclosure, please.
what is the property address?
The property address is 1 Hampton, Virginia 23666.
Did you file bankruptcy?
Yes.
Okay. What chapter was filed?
13.
13. Okay, and case number?
Case number 16.
Okay, and when was it filed?
About 10 minutes ago.
Okay, I will get this over to our sales team to review.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
Okay.
All right, guys, so that was all we had to do. We got the case number. You call the foreclosing attorney, the foreclosing trustee, give them the case number, and they'll stop the foreclosure immediately. And that's it. So go to the webinar below, guys, if you want to see exactly how to do it, what documents you need, and all that stuff. Anybody that needs to stop a foreclosure, we're going to show you exactly how to do it. This is Chris Haskins with the realestateroundup.com, and we'll see you next time. All right, bye.